Hi, it's Andy. I have a request live show for you, but today we're doing something special and it's going to be Captain Tom Moore's birthday card that I'm going to design for you. So let's get started right away. It's his birthday today, and if you don't know anything about Captain Moore, he is turning 100 and he's been raising money for charity, and he's raised millions and millions of pounds. So he's probably getting also millions and millions of wonderful birthday cards from everyone. So I'm going to do a little caricature of him to say thank you, Captain Moore, you're amazing, and also a thank you to all those awesome staff out there working in hospitals, and the dustmen, and all the sort of amazing frontline workers that have kept us home safe and sound through the whole coronavirus pandemic. So it's something hopefully to cheer you up, and this lovely man has certainly cheered up a lot of people with his incredible efforts raising money and generally just inspiring everyone, which is so lovely to be inspired. So I'm just going to put his ears on. Sorry, it's a caricature, so it's a little bit cruel with the ears, but not the rest, I hope. What a lovely, lovely man. Okay, so, and we're going to have him doing that walk that he was doing with all his medals. He had lots of medals, doesn't he? And his thumb up saying, I did it. And then I probably should have done a bit of research on the sort of Zimmer frame that he's using, but I'm guessing it's something like this with some wheels. Great, thanks Bob. There's your Zimmer frame. Should have Go Faster stripes on it really. And then we've got a birthday cake. I'm not going to draw 100 candles because that would take too long. And you remember, if anyone saw him on telly, he had this long, 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 long path that he was walking back and forth on, and he's got, I think I'll put the birthday cake here, so we'll just put one candle up at the top, and let's do a couple of tears for his, there we go. But it's going to have to be a big birthday cake because he's done the most amazing charity work. Oops, let me do that again. Perfectionist of me. Okay, and we're going to decorate it. And we're going to write happy birthday, happy 100th birthday. Oh yes, I've had a request for a colour, definitely. We've got our cake, and now I'm going to do all the money that he's raised for the NHS, National Health, and I think he's got so much money, I'm sure it's international now, what he's achieved. And so inspiring. Let's do dollar signs. Okay, so we've got his birthday cake, and I'm now going to colour it in. First, let's do his face. I hope he doesn't mind me giving him a big forehead. There we go, ears going on. Pink ears, pink hands. We're going to do a little bit of shading. So a little bit of light on his forehead. Not too much. And some colour on his cheeks. Rosy personality. And a national treasure. There we go. And I'll just do a little bit darker there. Okay. Don't know why I'm whispering. I think I'll give him a bit of pink in his ears as well, where the light's coming through. Right. So I've done all the sort of little details. And the white of the teeth. And now we're going to do his blue jacket. And I'll add his medals as well. So caricatures can be cruel, or they can be relatively kind. I think this is, because this is really about him, I'm going to do his tie exactly as is in the picture, because that would be a regimental tie. There we go. Okay, so let's put the cake in, because let's make it blue. And I'm going to write happy birthday, 100th birthday on there. Colouring in is very therapeutic, by the way. I wonder who's making his birthday cake today. I have a feeling it might be the Queen. She's there in the kitchen right now, baking him a cake, because she's probably his biggest fan. Oh dear. And let's do a lighter blue. Let's see if I can find a lighter blue. There we go. I'm a perfectionist. Sorry everyone. You're going to have to wait. And then we'll do the writing in white. Have I got the right pen? Yeah. So, happy B-Day Captain Tom Moore. And then we're going to make this writing stand out the most. 100 today. Awesome. So we think you're wonderful. And you've made everyone smile through a very tough time for a lot of people. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is for everyone, by the way, so please feel free to share it. And we'll see you next time at my Just Draw Live challenge with Andy. See you next time. Bye.